Many families in the region are preparing for their children to head back to school Wednesday, and that includes districts like Des Moines, West Des Moines, Johnston, Urbandale, and Waukee.
Yeah, but this year schools are managing many changes following several pieces of legislation Governor Kim Reynolds signed into law recently. So Local 5's Larissa Millis is in studio this morning to break down what your family needs to know about some of these changes. Larissa.
Good morning, guys. In May, Governor Reynolds signed Senate File 496 into law, a bill that she says is all about, quote, parental rights when it comes to their kids' education. That legislation is creating several major changes this school year. A leading piece of SF 496 is a section banning virtually all books from school libraries and classrooms that depict any sexual act. However, religious texts like the Bible, the Torah, and the Quran are not included in that ban. As Local 5 has reported this summer, some schools like Urbandale have already released lists of certain books that will be banned. Urbandale's original list included more than 380 books, but has since been pared down to 65 books. SF 496 also includes a section requiring written parental permission for a student to go by a pronoun or name they were not assigned at birth. School staff are also required to notify parents if a student requests to change their name or pronoun. Similarly, a different law Reynolds signed in March, SF 482, prohibits people from using bathrooms that do not match their sex assigned at birth. And another section of SF 496 will prohibit LGBTQ-related instruction for students in kindergarten through 6th grade. This means there can be no program, curriculum, test, survey, questionnaire, promotion, or instruction of sexual orientation and gender identity in K through 6 classrooms. However, the Iowa Department of Education has not released any guidance on if this means books with LGBTQ characters will need to be required to be removed from classrooms.
And Larissa, this is all stuff that we've been following right here on Local 5 for several months now. We know this bill also has some changes regarding surveys students take, right?
Yeah, that's correct. For students to take any survey that isn't required by state or federal law and is designed to assess a student's mental, emotional, or physical health, schools have to get express written consent from a student's parent or guardian.
All right. Thank you, Larissa.